our music video both challenges and uses codes and conventions used in real media products. The construction of the mise en scène was something we focused really hard on when playing the music video. We knew we needed to focus on the clothing of the band, along with the instruments which they played and the locations we used. The opening sequence along with the establishing shot is a real hint to the audience of what genre our music video is. This is really important as the music needs to match the imagery which is being shown to the audience, and this is done very well by showing multiple rural locations such as the barn and the farm which we used. These locations which we have used all conform to typical locations which are used in the folk genre. During my research, one key area which I was able to highlight was the clothing of the band members. We needed to ensure that the band members were wearing clothing which was appropriate to the folk genre. One band which I researched was the Lumineers. They were another folk genre band, and their clothing style was very plain shirts, trousers, and often jeans. The instruments which were picked needed to match those which were played in the actual song. This caused us many problems during the planning stages as we were unable to obtain a double bass, which is a key instrument used in the Hopeless Wanderer song. However, we were able to make up for this by finding a banjo. Another convention which we needed to use in the music video is the use of lighting. The shots of the band needed to be much brighter than those shots which we filmed in London of the narrative. This was to help construct the narrative in a way which the audience wouldn't notice at first glance. By ensuring the band shots were brighter, therefore adding warmth, this then enabled us to portray the city as a bad place by changing the colour of those shots to black and white, as this is what drives apart the characters in the narrative side of the video. The camera shots which we have used in our video are more conventions of which we've opted to use. These include close-ups, long shots, tracking shots, point of view shots, and so on. The sheer variety of shots in our video also mean that the audience are kept engaged throughout. Our video also challenges codes and conventions as well. In the narrative, the Wanderer is split apart from his girlfriend by the city, which drives them apart for various reasons. However, a common convention of breakups is for a person or a particular event to happen, which then causes the couple to break apart. However, in our video we put a unique twist on this by portraying the city of London as a bad place, which then drives apart the couple. My ancillary tasks also continue to use codes and conventions. My poster focuses on continuing the rural theme by using a simple image of an empty field with a wanderer stood in it. The simplicity of the poster is able to link directly to the folk genre, which doesn't focus on making itself stand out, but more on the meaning of the songs which it produces. It uses conventions by having 2 reviews by 2 well-known music magazines, as well as a website link and a hashtag, which could lead to the album going viral on the internet, which is a free source of advertisement. The website also uses codes and conventions as its main priority is to advertise the new album coming out from the band. This is done on the splash page before the users even enter the actual website. Furthermore, on the homepage another advertisement of the new album is shown, along with the track listings. The website is also able to offer all the features which real websites use, including a shop, tour dates with the option to purchase tickets for the upcoming gigs. The website uses a consistent colour scheme throughout, which is a fancy border going around the edges, along with a sans serif font style. The logo of the band, however, uses a serif font style, which is a convention of a folk genre.